Guess what? We're back at McDonald's again for the Happy Meal toys of the Mario Kart Deluxe. Let's order and take a Happy Meal toy. Here's the box, and again, here you can see all the characters that you can get from this Happy Meal. Without further ado, let's go in and see what we got. Ooh, I think I see... Oh, it's Peach! But she's colorless. Let's open up the box and find out what she looks like inside. Does she look as good as she looks on the box? But wait. Oh, this is really a little plasticky, kind of pink. And why is Peach in only one color when everyone else is in multiple colors? Anyways, let's try to remove her from the wheels. So yes, it is detachable and you can interchange with other cars. But yeah, what's up with this color? It looks a little plasticky and strange. Oh, and here are the stickers you can add to it. So, okay, maybe you can add one more color. And I also brought along Donkey Kong just to compare how it compares to Peach. So we got the Donkey Kong the last time we were at McDonald's. So here it is, ta-da! As you can see, actually Donkey Kong is a lot higher and his wheels appear to be much larger. So it looks like Donkey Kong got the SUV and Peach is in some sort of a compact car. So since it's interchangeable, let's try to switch things up so that Peach can drive a much larger car. So Donkey Kong is now driving the compact sedan. But oops, we think Donkey Kong looks much better in the larger car, meaning the larger SUV. So which one do you like? Do you prefer Peach or do you like Donkey Kong? Or are there any other characters that you're looking to get through the Happy Meal? We'll see you next time. Bye bye now.